Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm putting together a series of tutorials for getting 3 programs working nicely together: Dropbox, OpenChords and OpenSong. Now, most of you will know about Dropbox, but if you don't, it's essentially a cloud-based file sharing platform where you can share your files between your own computers that you own, and you can share these files with other people. The next program we're going to be looking at is a program called OpenChords. I happen to be the author of OpenChords, and OpenChords is a digital songbook for guitarists and other musicians. And the last program we're going to be looking at today is OpenSong, a very good program for projecting song lyrics in a church. Now, let's get started. Next up, we're going to look at the installation process. If someone else has already done the installation for you, you can just share their OpenChords and OpenSong folders from Dropbox. Otherwise, carry on watching this tutorial for the installation process. Now, first off, you're going to need a Dropbox account, and you're going to need the Dropbox application. I'm going to assume that you've already installed Dropbox and have signed into Dropbox. So, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to get OpenChords. Now, we need a special version of OpenChords. We need the portable version of OpenChords. So we're going to go to SourceForge and look for OpenChords. We'll go to Files, go for the latest version, and we want to be sure that we select the portable version. And it will download in a few seconds. Now, we need OpenChords, but we also need OpenSong. That's the next one. So, back to SourceForge again, and we're going to get OpenSong. I'm just going to click on the download button and get OpenSong. Now that both of these applications are saved, I am going to get them installed in our Dropbox so we can share it between computers, and that we can share these folders with other musicians and for whoever does lyrics projection at church, for example. Okay, let's get started with the setup. Okay, I'm going to open my computer and I'm going to go to Downloads, and I'm going to open OpenChords Portable, the zip file, and I am going to take the OpenChords folder and throw it across into my Dropbox. Next up, I'm going to take OpenSong and I'm going to install it. However, I need to take the portable option. So, I'm going to read through the terms and conditions very fast, accept them. Then, we're going to go, we're not going to install it to program files. Instead, we're going to install it to our Dropbox. So, I'm going to go into Browse, go into Users, select the current user that I am using, and I'm going to go to the Dropbox folder, and I'm going to install it there. We're going to say Next, and Next again, and Next again. However, on this screen, we want to make sure that we tick Portable Installation. Now we'll have the portable version of OpenChords and the portable version of OpenSong. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Dropbox, and I am going to configure OpenChords to point to know where OpenSong is. So if you want to export your sets of songs from OpenChords into OpenSong. So I'm going to go into OpenChords, go into the app folder, and I am going to open OpenChords. for future use, I'm going to just pin it to the taskbar so I can open it faster in future. So I'm going to go into File, Preferences, and now what we want to do is we want OpenChords to know where OpenSong is. So we're going to go into this line, OpenSong executable, and we know that we're in the app folder. So we want to go 2 folders back and then into the OpenSong folder and then point to the OpenSong executable. So we're going to just add another .. and that will do that. And we're going to do this for the next line as well, which is also, we just need to point to where the data folder is for OpenSong. Since we're doing a portable installation, this is relatively simple. Now we're going to close this. We're going to select one of the sets just to confirm that everything is working. We're going to select the export button and select export to OpenSong. This should export our set across that we've just made, and it should open OpenSong. Since I haven't run OpenSong yet, I just need to set it up for the first time. And now we're in OpenSong. If I click on Set Mode and I go into Sets, I can see the set that I exported from OpenSong. OpenChords, I mean. Now, this is for your basic setup of OpenChords, OpenSong, all running off of Dropbox. Now you're free to share these folders with anyone else who you would like to do the setup for by just sharing it. Of course, you need to verify your email and those things first. And that's it for the first tutorial.